Hello everyone, it's Frank, your English teacher. How are you today? Me, I'm fine and very happy to be with you again. So today, a new lesson. Every week it's the same. So we will speak about this week on your book, page 8. Okay, so read the graph, understand the meaning, and answer the questions. Okay, so book page 8. So I want you for this to build sentences properly. Okay, for example, in the fourth grade, 4 students like science. It's an example, okay? It's not an answer, just an example. But I want you to build sentences like this. Okay, so take your time to read the graph and take your time to make your sentences, okay? Try your best on your pronunciation when you will read the questions. Okay, so for this exercise, don't write on your book. Take a piece of paper and a pen because on the book it's not so clean, you know. You will try to erase if you make a mistake or something like that. So it's not so good. So take a piece of paper and a pencil and an eraser or a pen, what you prefer. Okay, so we start now. Okay, so open your book page 8 and you will see this graph. Okay, so I will explain to you the graph, but I think you are on Proton 5, so I think you dealt with that already. I think so in mathematics or science, I think. But we will speak about this in English, so it will be a bit different from Thai language. Okay, so I start to read. Suwat asks his friends in the 5th grade and students in the 4th and 6th grade about their favorite subjects. The graph shows the answers. Look at the graph. Read and answer the questions. Okay, so first you read this little text, okay? After you start to take a look on the graph. Okay, so we go on the right and I will explain to you on the horizontal line and on the vertical line. Okay, so we start in English, so follow this. So on the sorry, on the horizontal line, so horizontal like this. Okay, it indicates which are the students' favorite school subjects. Okay, do you see on the right, if you take a look on the graph, favorite school subjects, so horizontal line. Okay, so in mathematics, you call this part X. Okay, this is X. Here, there are 3 subjects: math, English, science. It's okay for you? You have 3 subjects: math, English, science. Okay, on the horizontal line. This concerns students in the 4th grade, blue color, students in the 5th grade, green color, and students in the 6th grade, pink color. Okay for you? You have those informations just below the rectangle. Okay? So we spoke about the horizontal line. Now, on the vertical line, so in mathematics, we spoke about y. Okay, so you have y and x in math. You remember that, I think. So on the vertical line, it indicates the number of students of each grade for each subject. Okay? Once understood, it will be easy to answer just by reading, of course. But In English, it's a bit different than in Thai language, of course. So maybe you can be a bit surprised, but I think for you it will be okay. Okay, so vertical, we have the number of students, okay? It concerns fourth, fifth, and sixth grade, okay? So we start with the question. So you can keep your book with you. Don't forget to take your piece of paper and your pencil. And you know it. Click on pause. Try to answer those 9 questions by make nice sentences. Okay? And then I will give you the answers. Okay, so I hope it was not too difficult for you. Okay, so if you can read the graph, you make 75% of the job, but after you must explain it in English. So if you add some difficulties, no problem. You restart the exercise and you restart the video, okay? You are here to learn, so no problem about this, okay? So number 1, how many students in the 4th grade like math? Obviously, you try to read with a good pronunciation. It's a training, of course. So in the 4th grade, 4 students like math. Okay, you take a look, and normally you will find 4 students. Number 2, how many students in the 5th grade like science? 10 students like science in the 5th grade. Okay. Number 3, how many students in the 5th grade like English? In the 5th grade, 8 students like English. Just take a look on the sentences. Sometimes I use in the 4th grade, blah, 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 blah. And in the second hand, sometimes I use the number of students like in the 4th, in the 5th grade, okay? You can change the order, because if you always use the same type of sentences, it's a bit boring, okay? So you can change, like in the 4th grade, 4 students, or 10 students like science in the 5th grade. You can change the order, okay? And it's more comfortable when somebody must read, okay? It's better, it's a bit better, okay? Number 4, how many students in the 6th grade like English? 4 students like English in the 6th grade, okay? Number 5, how many students in the 6th grade like science? In the 6th grade, I change, 7 students like science. I hope I didn't make mistake. Normally it's okay. Next. Number 6. How many students in the 4th grade like English? 12 students like English in the 4th grade. Number 7. How many students in the 5th grade like math? In the 5th grade, 2 students like math. You see this sentence, it's not so easy, because every time you must choose your tongue with your teeth, like this. In the 5th grade, 2 students like math. Or how many students in the 5th grade like math? Okay, you must play with that, like this. Okay. Number 8. How many students like English? So here we speak about all the students, not a grade. Huh? How many students like English? So all the students, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So 24 students like English. And the last one, number 9. Who likes science the most? So in Thai, the most, it's tisud, okay? So the most. Students from the 5th grade like science the most. So you take the science here. I check because it's a bit small, okay? And the green color is the highest. So obviously it's the fifth grade, okay? So I just give you, sorry, a little example about the most and in contrary, the least. So you have the most and you have the least. Okay, so I ask you a question about who likes science the least. Okay, so the least. So you take a look on the graph. Science, so third, and the least, so the pink color. Okay, so the pink color is the sixth grade. So students from the sixth grade like science the least. Okay, so you have the most, the least. Okay, I give you that, just a little bonus. Okay. Okay, so for today it's over. So the lesson is over, the exercise is over. I hope for you it's good. I hope for you, uh, like I write, I hope you liked it and learn many things. Okay, so you can restart the video if you want to check some sentences, okay, how to build it. So take care of you and see you next week. Bye bye.